Advantech was founded in 1983 and marks its 40th anniversary this year. Advantech, with the brand vision of enabling an intelligent planet, has been dedicated to three major markets: industrial IoT, embedded IoT, and smart cities. Advantech has consistently pursued excellence in efficiency and quality across all stages of production, striving to create greater value for customers. In recent years, Advantech has made significant investments in the construction of digitalized factories. We not only leverage our own AIoT technology, but also actively incorporate external innovations, with 3D printing technology being one of them. Within Advantech's manufacturing processes, there is a substantial demand for non-standard customized fixtures. Historically, these fixtures were primarily produced via outsourcing using CNC machining. However, we also found some limitations in the CNC outsourcing process. First, the cost of outsourcing CNC machining is increasing year by year. Second, the time needed for outsourced production can often be 1 to 2 weeks, making it difficult for our own production to respond quickly and accurately to customer demands. On the other hand, the flexibility of CNC outsourcing is limited. Once the drawings are sent to the outsourcing factory, it becomes challenging for us to make timely modifications and iterate rapidly. In the face with these challenges and difficulties, Advantech has been actively seeking new technologies and solutions for improvement. During a technical exchange with colleagues from the headquarters, when discussing the challenges of outsourcing jigs and fixtures, our colleagues from the headquarters recommended 3D printing technology. After 2 months of research and conducting comprehensive comparisons of different brands of 3D printers, Advantech ultimately decided to acquire the Raise3D Pro2 Plus. First, it's about precision. We conducted multiple rounds of sample testing and compared various models. The results showed that the accuracy of the Pro2 Plus was highly satisfactory to us, and its performance exceeded that of competing products. In addition, the Raise3D Pro2 Plus features a large build volume, capable of meeting application requirements in various scenarios, dispelling our concerns about printing size. In addition, the Raise3D Pro2 Plus features many appealing designs, such as the accompanying online management platform, Raise Cloud. It helps save management costs and improves management efficiency. The slicing software IdeaMaker also works very well. Taking everything into consideration, the reasonable price combined with stable and reliable product performance gives the device a good cost-performance ratio. We have placed the Raise3D Pro2 Plus in the engineer's studio, making it very convenient to use. The operation of the 3D printer is not complicated, and since we are familiar with industrial design software, we were able to quickly master the slicing software. Previously, outsourcing CNC production took 2 weeks. However, with the adoption of the Raise3D Pro2 Plus, our production speed has significantly improved. Even larger components can be manufactured in just 20 hours, and the surface requires no additional treatment, already meeting our usage requirements. In terms of materials, currently we mainly use PLA filaments, which are more cost-effective compared to the Bakelite material previously used. Furthermore, Raise3D IdeaMaker allows for the adjustment of material infill, enabling us to achieve lightweight without compromising structural strength. It also helps improve material utilization and reduces costs. Collaborating with Raise3D is an innovative technological investment for Advantech to enhance industrial production line efficiency. The stable print quality has provided us with a more concrete understanding of 3D printing technology. As 3D printing technology matures, it is increasingly permeating various aspects of the manufacturing industry. Its complementary collaboration with traditional processing techniques can further enhance production efficiency. In the future, we also look forward to Raise3D bringing us more flexible manufacturing solutions.